We're conducting an investigation. I need you to step out of the car. You're not going anywhere. Okay? You understand?
To back up to my garage.
Nope. You're gonna step out of the vehicle right now, please. Thank you.
Are you okay with figuring out her sign while I finish this?
You're being completely ridiculous.
Would you like some ID?
Okay. Why don't you have a seat on the ground?
You asked for
Why
me.
don't you, ma'am?
You asked me for some ID. Yes or no?
Well, because you have your purse on you.
I went to go get you some ID.
I've got
Were you
enough
here
for...
yesterday?
I was not. I was
Could
wanting to
I
see
go
the
get
notes to
him
see-
some ID?
I don't need an ID right now, ma'am. I'd really appreciate it, though, if you could hang tight for a second. Can we do that, please? I would really appreciate
He
that.
asked me for some ID.
I understand.
I am trying to comply with the person who has threatened to arrest me if I do not comply.
Well, ma'am, I'm here now. And
Can
I'm asking...
I
No.
get
No.
my ID?
No, ma'am. I'm asking you nicely to please just take a minute right here. I've got a video.
He wants
And
me
injury.
to get
So
my ID.
if this is going to go south, we can just hook
He
her
wants
95.
me to get some
or we can
ID.
detain-
May
I
I
can
get
try
to- her name?
some ID?
No, I don't
Yes
have that.
or no? Do you
No,
have
ma'am.
that on your
But if-
video?
but if she's
that
gonna
he,
continue like this,
do
we can
you
just do
have
it.
that on your video
So.
that he asked me for some ID?
No, ma'am, I was not present.
Ma'am, what's your name? What's your name, ma'am?
What's on your ID? What's on your video?
So I'm comfortable with the video I just watched and with the obvious signs of injury.
All right,
I
ma'am,
will
go ahead and
go.
turn around,
This
put your
is
hand
my
on
You're
your
house.
under arrest right now.
Why?
You're
Drop
under
your
arrest
purse.
Why?
for domestic battery. I need
Drop
you to
your purse.
stop tensing
Why?
up. I need you to stop tensing
Why?
up.
Drop your purse.
Ma'am,
Why?
I need you to stop.
Domestic battery
Okay.
because why?
I need you to
An
stop.
additional charge for resisting. I need you to stop.
Domestic battery because why?
Okay?
Okay, you're gonna
Ma'am,
drop
I
your
need you to
purse.
just loosen up.
You're gonna drop your purse.
Okay?
Ma'am, I don't want to hurt you. Please drop your purse.
Please tell me
Ma'am,
why I
Please
am
drop your
un-
purse.
Please tell me why I'm
Ma'am,
under
I
arrest
advised
for
you-
domestic battery. Are you taping this?
Of course we are.
Are you taping this? You told me you were taping this.
We are.
Are you taping this?
Yes, we are. Let go of your purse.
Why am I under arrest for domestic battery?
32 water female manufacturer.
I
grab my
have
hand.
asked multiple
Don't grab my hand.
times. I have asked
Those tighten up on that side.
multiple times
I've got a
why I am under arrest
You're gonna hurt
for
yourself.
domestic
You're going to hurt
battery.
yourself, ma'am.
You're
I
gonna
don't
hurt
want that.
Could someone tell me?
Because you battered
Anyone?
your child.
I have a video and obvious signs of injury, ma'am. That's why you're under arrest right now.
Injury of what kind?
That's not locked in.
It's locked,
It's,
but
oh, okay, yeah. It's just going to move tight in.
yeah, I don't want it to.
Yeah.
Who are you all? Please
Just-
give your names
we're the
for
police.
the video. Please give your names for the video.
Our names are attached to our video.
Please
trying not to poke her
give
here.
your names for the video.
Good.
There
Yeah,
we go.
perfect.
Ma'am, if you stop tensing up, it's going to be a lot more comfortable for you.
Not tensing up,
You are. That's why this
Not-
keeps going into your back.
tensing up,
Ma'am, I'm like holding your body up over here.
not
Here,
tensing
It's wedged
up.
in there. 'Cause she keeps. There
There.
we go.
Okay.
There. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Could you please tell me your names for the
Is that tight
video?
enough,
For the video!
I think this one's too loose. I've got 2 fingers in there.
Could you please tell me your names for the video?
It's Officer McPherson, Officer Lane, and Sergeant Hoyt. I would just get her ID or something while
Yeah.
I'm out of there because they're not going to accept the whole purse at county most likely.
No, yeah.
She was starting to walk inside for her ID, so I doubt it's in here. But
Oh, there it is.
Are you able to stand up without me supporting
You know
you?
what, just bring that whole thing, because if she needs a credit card to find out.
No?
Okay, we're not going to play the game. Listen. Recovery position. Here we go. There you go. Ma'am, are you okay?
I mean, you got a pulse. I mean, she's breathing. She's fine.
Yeah.
Come on up. Let's get her in the car.
What's her name?
Don't know. Never
Was
got
that
that.
ID? Oh, that was an ID.
Oh, I have her. Yeah, I do have her ID. Let her take a rest. Burke.
I can see you moving.
You're okay because you're breathing and your eyes keep opening, so let's get you stood up. Let's get you to the car.
Want to get up nice and easy for me?
It's time to be an adult.
We're not going to sleep now. Wish I still had those smelling salts.
What do those do when you're not passed out?
It's a bad smell.
It's very
Yeah.
unpleasant.
It pops your eyes.
Yeah.
Why are we doing this? Let's get up like an adult and let's go to the car.
Okay. Ready?
You want to just pick her up, or what do you guys want to do?
We'll go over to her butt first. Okay.
Come on, Donna, we're walking.
You're moving your feet just fine.
There we go. Good job. We can both carry
I
your
was gonna
shoulders if
say-
you carry your feet.
Yep.
Right?
Boss,
Yep.
you want to grab her feet?
Yeah, I'll grab her.
Can you just circle around maybe? Or, you know, I can do the feet if you wanted
You
the
guys
bod.
are going to go this way, and then I'll take the feet from you.
Oh, I definitely don't
No.
feel comfortable having it be
Yeah,
face
no,
down.
not that way.
I'm gonna make
Not
that.
that way.
All right. There you go. Hold on. I'm going to stretch her move. Make this a little easier.
Got it.
Oh, she keeps moving her leg away from me.
This is like one of those bad videos for soccer when they can't carry a player off the field.
Well, I want to support both of her shoulders.
Yeah. Okay.
She's not very helpful here.
I feel so bad, Connor.
She's really going limp. No, I'm saying on purpose she is.
Do you want to just sit her here and I'll pull up my squad?
Sure.
Did you I still need him.
Yeah, I just told them to
Hang tight?
bring her
Okay.
purse
Oh, purse. Got it. Okay, cool.
into the house.
Let me just, hold on a second.
How are you doing this? You're okay.
Nothing in our pockets.
She's still
Okay.
breathing. All right,
Yeah.
come on, roll up.
Yep, you're walking.
Good job.
I'd ask if you want shoes, and then I would.
We gotta get butt first.
Yeah.
Can you put out her legs here?
Take me.
Adding charges here. You're resisting.
Passive resisting is the same. You need to.
audio video recorded while you're in the back of my squad car.
Wow.
Great work. That was really...
She was feeling a dead weight for sure.
She's awake.
What's her name? Her name. What's her name?
Ladies, go. Put your feet down.
What's her name?
Feet down.
What's her name?
Time to walk.
You're getting
What?
additional charges.
You're gonna
Her
get more
name.
charges if you don't stop. Time to walk.
What's her name?
Walk.
What are my charges, by the way, because nobody has told me a single charge. Got your f***ing face in my